Today, we're witnessing something remarkable on the roads. Volkswagen has officially brought back one of the most iconic names in automotive history, but this time with a bold twist. Say hello to the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle vintage pickup truck, a unique blend of classic charm and modern engineering that's turning heads and rewriting expectations. It's nostalgic, it's stylish, and it's ready to work. The Beetle name is legendary, symbolizing freedom, simplicity, and an unshakable identity. But in 2025, Volkswagen has taken that DNA and fused it with the rugged practicality of a pickup. The result? A vehicle that honors the past while boldly stepping into the future. Whether you're a classic car lover or a modern-day adventurer, the Beetle Pickup offers a little bit of everything. Under the hood, the 2025 Beetle Vintage Pickup is far from a slouch. Powering this retro machine is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 201 horsepower and 228 lb-ft of torque. It's mated to a 7-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission that delivers crisp, responsive shifts, and yes, it comes in front-wheel drive, but Volkswagen offers an optional all-wheel drive system for those who want a bit more grit on rugged terrain. For a vehicle designed with nostalgia in mind, it moves with the confidence of a modern utility vehicle. 0 to 60? It clocks in around 7.5 seconds. Not bad for a pickup with vintage soul. The design is perhaps the most jaw-dropping aspect of this machine. It's unmistakably Beetle, yet unmistakably different. The rounded headlights, the sloping fenders, and the signature bubble roof all scream heritage. But then you see the truck bed, a compact, functional cargo space lined with brushed aluminum and wood-accented detailing, offering both utility and elegance. The tailgate proudly displays the Beetle script in retro chrome lettering, and the rear lighting pays homage to the classic oval-shaped taillights of the 1960s. Every detail has been carefully sculpted to honor the past while delivering modern flair. From vintage-style white wall tires to chrome bumpers and even a surfboard rack option, the design isn't just eye-catching, it's emotional. Step inside, and you're met with a cabin that balances nostalgia with next-generation tech. The dashboard is wrapped in soft-touch materials with stitched leatherette and retro-style toggle switches. But sitting in the middle of it all is a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen equipped with Volkswagen's latest MIB4 system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Voice control has been vastly improved, and the sound system, an optional Harman Kardon setup, delivers crisp highs and deep bass that's perfect for long highway drives or summer road trips. The cabin design doesn't forget its roots. You'll notice color-matched interior panels, vintage wood trim, and a special edition analog clock perched atop the dashboard, a nod to the simplicity of driving in decades past. Heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel with retro VW badging round out the interior, offering a luxury experience without losing the Beetle's playful spirit. In terms of practicality, the Beetle vintage pickup truck seats 2 to 3 passengers comfortably depending on the trim, with a fold-down rear bench option in extended cab models. The truck bed measures just under 5 feet, making it perfect for light-duty hauling. Think bikes, camping gear, or vintage suitcases if you're keeping the theme alive. Payload capacity hovers around 1,000 pounds, and it can tow up to 2,500 pounds with the tow package, making it far more capable than its whimsical look might suggest. Safety hasn't taken a back seat either. The Beetle Pickup is equipped with Volkswagen's IQ Drive Suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and a rear cross-traffic alert. There's also a 360-degree camera system and park assist for tight city spots. In short, it's built to be as safe as it is charming. Customization plays a big role here. Buyers can choose from a variety of retro-inspired paint options like sunburst orange, ocean teal, candy white, and glacier blue. There are even optional decals and side stripe packages that throw it back to classic Beetle liveries of the 60s and 70s. VW offers two trim levels, the Classic Edition and the Heritage Pro, with the latter adding premium materials, upgraded tech, and more off-road oriented features. And perhaps the best part? The price. Starting around $31,000 for the base model and topping out near $39,000 for a fully loaded Heritage Pro with AWD. The Beetle Pickup remains accessible. It's not just a collector's item. It's a functional, stylish vehicle designed for everyday life. Volkswagen knows what it's doing here. They're not just building a car. They're reviving an icon, rekindling a feeling, and giving enthusiasts something they didn't even know they wanted. The Beetle Vintage Pickup isn't about numbers and specs, though it holds its own. It's about emotion. It's about bringing a smile to your face every time you walk up to it. It's about starting conversations at every gas station or coffee shop. It's about a connection between the past, the present, and the road ahead. As the automotive world races toward the future, Volkswagen has reminded us that sometimes looking back is the best way to move forward. The 2025 Beetle Vintage Pickup Truck is more than a vehicle. It's a statement. And for those lucky enough to get behind the wheel, it's going to be a ride they'll never forget.